Sustainable, yeah. And if I was designing your CRM, I'd put them in my sustainable pipeline. If they don't have a problem, I put them in. And then when I have my next insight, I get to shop that one around, right? Okay. Now, don't call them every day.
No, I would. No,
yeah.
I gotta say that's really impressive because I do have that note here. But I couldn't. After what you know, how are you dealing with that? I did not have. I ended up going.
Yeah, I'll be here when you need blank. Yeah. Well, I don't need sales coaching. Good. Hey, I will be here when you need to close more deals and finally get over that $475,000 in income goal that you hit 3 years ago. Fair enough? Now Sean is going, I would love to do that, right? And he's going to be more likely to call me back.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure. And the great and powerful
sideways boat too.
You remember that, right? I didn't make that. I did not make that up, correct? Right? But did it not? I think there's an insight there because people's patience was through the roof, right? Because everybody was like ship sideways, right? And no vendor got in trouble. But yet, where are we now? We're in the other world now. Now manufacturers are getting yelled at for stuff like the weather, like stuff that has nothing to do. It's your fault, right? Like it's your politics. It's your fault. This is your fault. Everything's your fault. And it's because I don't know. I lay in bed at night thinking about this stuff. This is what happens. Watch the stock market. This is why you should buy the dip, right? Because it always goes like this. It never stops back. It never stops here. It does this. And then eventually maybe comes to rest in normal. But we're nowhere near normal. By the way, I just gave you a great story there. And if you're face-to-face, go like this, but don't accidentally smack somebody in the office there. It's true. But this is how we sell, guys. We don't sell by listing our features, our pricing, our specials. We sell by telling a story, right? And ideally, it's a story that it doesn't matter what they say because I'm either going to get the deal, they're either going to think it makes sense to move forward, I'm at least going to be able to quote it, or they're going to go, I don't have that problem. And I'm going to go, good. That is good news. Because I don't want to force my stuff on somebody that doesn't need it. I'm not going to say that, but I'm just going to go, good. Hey, I will be here when you need blank. Right? Like Sean's going to be here when they need a backup plan for if the equipment that they bought goes down. Right? Or I'll be here when you need to make sure that you are totally locked in for the winter months before those winter months come. Right? Because there's something going on that every company that's doing snow removal is having to deal with and nobody's talking about it. Right? Our margins have become so thin. The cost of labor has become so high that we're now at a point where projects like snow removal, we can't afford to miss a day. We can't afford to miss a storm, right? Because there's just not the profit that there was 3 years ago. How are you dealing with that, right? And now I don't know if this is even in Sean's wheelhouse. I think it might be in the zip code. Let him bitch about cost of labor, right? Why does Sean care about cost of labor when he's doing attachments to remove snow? Because if the attachment's broken or I don't have a backup or I don't have a plan B, I still have to pay that person an hourly rate. And they're not shoveling. And if they are shoveling, my workers' comp goes through the roof and they're not able to shovel fast enough to get the job done to have it be profitable. Right? Just an example of the types of things that somebody like Sean or in the orbit, I think that's the realm that you're in, Sean, could be getting conversations started. Sean, what question do you have? Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.